check this out. Did you know you guys can travel to 5 incredible international destinations this summer in 2026 for less than a weekend in New York City? In this video, I'm going to show you guys the exact cost, the hidden gems, as well as the insider travel hacks, including the military discounts and the budget-friendly strategies so you guys can save hundreds, if not thousands, on your next trip. Would you guys rather explore turquoise beaches, historic city streets, or cultural hidden gems? Comment beach, city, or culture. I read every comment below. And wait until you guys see the Caribbean destination you can experience for about $50 per day total. That's it. It looks like a luxury vacation, but it's actually one of the best budget travel hacks out there right now. So destination number 1 is going to be none other than Cancun and Riviera Maya, Mexico. Cancun and Riviera Maya are some of the most popular, affordable international destinations from the United States. And they're known for their crystal clear turquoise water, white sand beaches, coral reefs, eco parks, as well as ancient Mayan ruins. This region consistently ranks as one of the best cheap tropical vacations for US travelers, especially during those summer months. And one of the biggest reasons this area stands out is the variety of experiences you can pack into one trip. You guys can snorkel in Cozumel's coral reefs, explore Chichen Itza, I butchered that so let me know how I did in the comments, one of the new 7 wonders of the world, as well as swim in cenotes like Iqquil as well as Cenote Azul, which are natural freshwater sinkholes that offer a completely unique and refreshing experience compared to regular ocean swimming. And the best time to visit is going to be early June or September, when you can avoid those peak crowds while still getting great weather. And during this time, flights from major US cities regularly drop below $300 round trip if you guys book 2 to 4 months in advance. So this is key, pay attention to that, making it one of the easiest and most affordable international trips to plan out. And from a budgetary standpoint, you guys can find comfort hotels between $60 and $120 per night, while local street food like tacos, tamales, as well as fresh seafood meals typically cost between $8 to $12 each. And tours of the different ruins, eco parks, as well as snorkeling excursions usually range from $25 to $50. And many companies offer military discounts of around 5 to 10%. So for content creators as well as photo lovers, this destination is packed with highly Instagrammable locations, including Playa Delfines over at sunset, as well as the Tulum cliffside ruins overlooking the ocean, and the hidden cenotes that create perfect lighting and water clarity for great, perfect photos and videos. And one of the best travel hacks out here is going to be utilizing colectivos, which are shared vans that locals use for transportation. So instead of paying expensive taxi fares in this area, you guys can travel between the major spots for just a few dollars per ride, saving you a significant amount of money over the course of your trip. And one quick hidden gem that most tourists actually end up missing is Bacalar, which is also known as the Lake of 7 Colors, which offers stunning crystal clear water in multiple shades of blue. It's far less crowded than Cancun, but also delivers a more unique and peaceful experience. Overall, this destination gives you a perfect combination of beaches, history, adventure, as well as affordability, making it one of the best all-around international trips for summer in 2026. And before we go any further, if you're planning a trip like this, make sure to check out the discounted and free travel links in our video description below. You guys can save hundreds on your flights, hotels, rental cars, as well as vacation packages utilizing the platforms like Skyscanner, Cheap Caribbean, Hotels.com, and more. So these are exactly what we end up using to book our trips. And if you guys enjoy travel trips that end up saving you money, make sure to subscribe and turn on notifications so you guys never miss a new travel guide that comes out. Next up, let's cover Mexico City, Mexico. Mexico City is one of the best budget-friendly cities in the world, offering a different mix of ancient history, modern culture, as well as incredible food and affordable pricing that makes it completely ideal for travelers looking to maximize their value. And this city is also home to the major landmarks like Frida Kahlo's Blue House, Palacio de Bellas Artes, as well as the ancient ruins of Templo Mayor, giving you access to some of the most important cultural and historical sites in North America. At the same time, neighborhoods like Roma and Condesa offer trendy cafes, different nightlife options, as well as boutique experiences. And food is going to be a huge highlight here. You guys can eat authentic tacos, quesadillas, and also eat traditional breakfast dishes like chilaquiles for about $10 to $20 per meal, making it one of the most affordable foodie destinations globally. And transportation is also extremely cheap here, with metro rides costing about 50 cents, allowing you to explore the entire city without spending much at all. And many of the museums and attractions also end up offering military discounts or free entry days, adding even more value. And from a content perspective, locations like the Chapultepec Castle, the Zocalo, as well as the colorful streets of Coyoacán provide incredible backdrops for those photos and those videos. And a great travel hack here is using the metro system with a preloaded card, which helps you guys avoid traffic as well as those expensive rideshares while navigating efficiently like a local. And for a hidden gem experience, skip the busiest tourist areas over here and explore the local street food tours or the neighborhood markets, where you guys will end up finding more authentic flavors as well as fewer crowds. So Mexico City ends up offering a rare combination of affordability, cultural depth, as well as modern experiences for you guys, making it one of the most well-rounded destinations on this list. So next up, we're going to cover Lisbon over in Portugal. Destination number 3 is one of the most affordable and visually stunning cities in all of Europe, known for its historic architecture, ocean views, colorful buildings, as well as unique cultural experiences. The top attractions over here include the Belém Tower, Geronimo's Monastery, as well as the famous Tram 28, which takes you through some of the city's most scenic neighborhoods. You can also visit LX Factory, a creative district filled with different restaurants, shops, and street art that most tourists tend to overlook. And food and transportation are relatively affordable here compared to other European capitals, with meals typically costing $10 to $18 and public transit ranging from just $4 to $6 per ride. The Lisboa card is a great investment and ends up offering unlimited transit as well as discounted access to the major attractions. Lisbon is also one of the best cities in Europe for content creation, with viewpoints like the Miradoro de Senhora do Monte and Alfama rooftops. That's a mouthful. Correct me on that below in the comments, please. Offering different panoramic views as well as the perfect photos as well as videos. And one of the most unique experiences here is attending a Fado music performance, which gives you guys an authentic look into Portuguese culture as well as history in an intimate setting. Also, real quick, if you guys want to support the channel, check out our Castaway Traveler store that's linked in the video description below. We've got different travel gear that we use, essentials, as well as different attire that we personally use on every single trip. And which destination would you guys end up choosing so far? Are you guys feeling Cancun, Mexico City, or Lisbon? Drop it in the comments and let us know. Fourth on this list is going to be Bangkok and Chiang Mai over in Thailand. Thailand is among one of the best cheap international destinations in the world, offering a combination of culture, food, temples, and adventure at extremely low daily costs. In Bangkok, you guys can explore the Grand Palace, Wat Arun, as well as the vibrant night markets, while Chiang Mai offers mountain temples, jungle scenery, as well as cultural festivals. It's really the best of both worlds over in Thailand. And the daily expenses can range from $25 to $55 per day, including food, transportation, and attractions, which is extremely affordable, and it's one of the most affordable long-distance destinations you guys can actually visit. And the street food over here is going to end up being one of the major highlights, with dishes like pad thai and mango sticky rice costing just a few dollars. And transportation, including tuk-tuks as well as ferries, is also extremely inexpensive. And one of our travel hacks and recommendations is booking those ethical tours as well as experiences, such as visiting the elephant sanctuaries, so you guys can ensure your money supports responsible tourism. And hidden areas like Bang Krako, often called Bangkok's Green Lung, offers a completely different side of the city with biking trails and nature, hence the Green Lung part. Thailand itself delivers a completely different travel experience: culture, adventure, food, and scenery, at a price point that's hard to beat anywhere else in the world. So now moving on to destination number 5. That's going to be none other than Dominican Republic, which includes Punta Cana as well as Samana. Dominican Republic is one of the most affordable Caribbean destinations, offering those white sand beaches, waterfalls, mountains, as well as the vibrant local culture. While Punta Cana is well known for its beaches, areas like Samana as well as Las Terrenas provide more authentic and less crowded beaches for you guys to explore. And they have different waterfalls like El Limon, as well as scenic coastal views. The total for daily costs can stay around $40 to $50 per day, with accommodations as low as $12 to $20 per night and meals around $10 to $15. And transportation over here is also inexpensive, using the local buses as well as those shared ride-share options. And many tour providers also offer military discounts, making this an even more attractive option for budget-conscious travelers. For photography, locations like Bahia de las Aguilas as well as Las Terrenas offer stunning, less crowded alternatives to the typical resort beaches. And a key travel tip here is to avoid the expensive resort areas and instead explore the local towns as well as those public beaches, where you guys will end up saving money, and it'll be a little bit more authentic experience for you guys. The Dominican Republic truly offers a perfect mix of relaxation, adventure, as well as affordability, making it one of the best Caribbean destinations for summer 2026. So if you guys are getting value from this video, hit like and save it so you can come back for when you guys are planning your trip this year. So now let's jump into some bonus flight hacks that we have. Booking flights midweek instead of the weekends can save you upwards of $350 per ticket. Using flexible travel dates and checking nearby airports can also significantly reduce your costs. And those different price tracking tools can notify you when flights drop, specifically Skyscanner, which is our recommended platform. helping you guys book the lowest possible price. And these are the same strategies that are used by experienced travelers to consistently save more money. So now let's cover a quick recap. Here are the top 5 cheap international destinations for summer of 2026. Cancun and Riviera Maya, Mexico. They have the beaches, the cenotes, as well as the Mayan ruins. Mexico City, Mexico has the culture, food, as well as the incredible history. Lisbon, Portugal offers the affordable Europe with the incredible views. Bangkok and Chiang Mai in Thailand have that budget-friendly and exotic travel, and Dominican Republic has that Caribbean beauty at a low cost. Each destination ends up offering a combination of affordability, unique experiences, as well as hidden gems and strong value for your money, making them ideal for summer 2026 travel. And if you guys could book one of these trips today, what would it end up being? Let us know in the comments below. Are you still feeling beach? Are you feeling city? Or are you feeling culture? Make sure to subscribe for more travel guides, tips, and deals, and we'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching, guys. Keep traveling.